Namaste. Welcome to Satyapatham. In this video, we will see a glimpse of the epic Ramayana, a great story of Sita and Rama. Sitamudara charitam vidhisamba vishnuvandyam त्रिलोकजननीं शतकल्पवल्लीं हैमैरनेकमणिरञ्जितकोटिभागैः भूषाचयै अनुदिनं सहितां नमामि अनुदिनं सहितां नमामि. Sita, the consort of Sri Rama, has been a great icon who continues to inspire all of us. Sitayas Charitam Mahat, says Maharshi Valmiki, the author of Srimad Ramayana. This Ramayana epic is the great story of Sita. The whole mission of Sita and Rama's birth in human form was to destroy the arrogant Ravana, other demons, and for the upliftment of good and virtuous beings. Sita and Rama possessed good qualities like loyalty, gentleness, courage, perseverance, self-sacrifice, truthfulness, self-control, love to all living beings, and many other great virtues. They revealed their greatness in spite of their tough circumstances. Sita renounced the comfort of the palace and accompanied Rama during his exile in the forest. Sita, Rama, and Lakshmana entered the forest to put an end to the terror of demons in the forest and protect the ascetic ones. When Ravana came to Sita in the guise of a monk and kidnapped her, she had the presence of mind to throw her jewels, which paved way for the search of Sita by Hanuman, and ultimately it paved way for the destruction of Ravana, which was the mission of Sita and Rama. In Lanka, Ravana delegated many demonesses to guard the Ashokavana where Sita was held captive. Throughout her 1 year of captivity in Lanka, Ravana kept expressing his desire for Sita and threatened her. Sita told Ravana that Rama and Sita are inseparable. Sita also went on to warn Ravanasura in his own Lanka. Sita talked about the valor, invincibility of Rama and explained the dire consequences of Ravana for all his wrongdoings and advised him to correct himself. However, we all know Ravana did not heed to Sita's advice, due to which Ravana and his entire clan of people were destroyed. Sita and Rama portrayed a great power of endurance to stand up and face challenges. Whenever life throws some challenges upon us, we should keep reminding the story of Sita and Rama and their ability to stand up and face challenges within the framework of dharma, a way of righteous life. The human values practiced and demonstrated by them under many life situations are a revelation to anyone to learn from them on how to stand up and face challenges. Now, let's look at Ramayana from Vedantic standpoint. Ravana represents ego, anger, greed, lust, hatred, jealousy, attachment. A spiritual seeker, Rama, destroys the demons who symbolically represents anger, lust, hatred, etc., and he gets reunited with Sita, peace, which is a spiritual seeker's intrinsic nature. Harihi Om.